Welcome back to my page. One of my customer brought this Motorola phone for me to fix. He said that the phone is not charging, and also when you turn it on it will just off immediately. So as you can see now, I've turned the phone on, it just off immediately, and even if you plug charger to charge it, it will not charge. So I have to open the phone to check the phone. So as you can see now, I've plugged charger in the phone, so I will test it and see. So as you can see, this is what is showing. It's showing as if it want to charge, but it will not charge. It will keep restarting, doing the same thing. So as you can see now, so I asked him some few questions about the phone. He said that he has dropped the phone for a longer time, so when he tried to charge it, it was not charging. So I say no problem, this type of issue is always from the battery. Some technicians will say you should go and change the battery, but you have to first of all check if the battery is original battery, if the battery have fuse. If the battery have fuse, it will work. Except the battery doesn't have fuse, you know that the phone needs flashing. But first of all, you have to remove the fuse. As you can see, this one have fuse. Look at the battery fuse here. So I needed to confirm if the battery has fuse. If the battery did not have fuse, what you need to do is just to flash the phone. So as you can see, we have to try the first method first. Remove the battery fuse, then we use LED to short it. I want to use LED to short it. So let's try and see if it will work. But if it doesn't work, we have to flash the phone. So that's the second method that is going to make the phone work. So let me put the LED. Always make sure you put enough LED so that it will be very strong. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video for others to benefit. If you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. So as you can see, I'm done soldering it now, as you can see now. So let me cover the battery so I can test it first, so that you will see if it's going to work. So let's test it and see. Okay, so let me put the battery now. Let's test it and see. Let me clip it. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you have not followed this page, follow this page for more updates. Okay, so let me clip the battery now. Let me turn it on so we will see. Okay, let me turn it on. As you can see, it's turning on now. If you watch carefully, you will see that the phone is still booting up, it's not turning off. So it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So that was the problem of the phone. Just that battery fuse was what was making the phone to keep restarting. As you can see now, is booting up, working perfectly well, 100%. As you can see, is working. Please share this video for others to benefit. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.